Yo, what's up, y'all? So I'm back with another message for nature. So I'm just looking around and I'm just like gathering information and downloads from what the Most High is telling me. So, as I was saying in my previous video, nature is like therapeutic to the body, like therapeutic to the spirit. And I also said that, you know, medicine is in your food. Medicine comes from your food. It is important that people step outside to connect to nature because of the 4 elements, well, 5 elements that it consists of. There's earth, air, water, fire, and spirit. God is in everything, everywhere. He's omnipresent. And God is in this earth. God is most definitely in nature. Why do y'all think that the shamans, they come outside and they pay attention to nature? Because God uses nature and the animals around to communicate with human beings. That's what the Indians used to use, the methods they used to use. They used to pay attention to nature, the birds and insects, and the symbolism of those. Even when the Christ, when he went out and he fasted for 40 days and 40 nights, where did he go when he did that? To the Judean desert, because he knows that God is in the earth. That's you could communicate more clearly with God in the earth. When you're outside in nature, he speaks to you more clearly because those elements are also instilled within us. The human body consists of 60% of water. Water is an element of the earth. As I said before, medicine is in food, which comes from the earth. The healing foods, which are like, let's say, fruits and vegetables. I ain't gonna say nothing particularly, but like onions, that's a detoxifier right there. A natural detoxifier. Tea, like tea leaves, those help you detoxify. Each thing that comes from the earth, it has its own benefits, nutrients, antioxidants that helps us heal. Another thing that's connected from us to earth, as I said, God is omnipresent. He is in the earth. So with that being said is, we have spirit. God is spirit. Okay? So when you step outside and you notice that the spirit of the earth, the spirit in the animals, is also connected to you. He is everywhere, all around. As I said before, God is bigger than religion. I don't know who paid attention to when I posted that, but I said that. God is way bigger than religion. The Christ even understands that. And other people didn't understand that, but it is important to spend time in nature. Because I just feel like when you're in nature, when you're outside, that's the most time, or that's what I feel like I connect with God the most. Outside. Getting answers from the things he sent my way. As many people say, they think things are coincidences. There is no such thing as a coincidence. Everything happens for a reason. So when you see a certain cat or whatever, or a dog or a bird, ladybug land on you or so, it's supposed to happen. It's not a coincidence. Maybe God is sending that way for you to wake up, sending that to you to wake up and look it up and get your symbols or get the message that he is trying to send to you. Even people, he sent people to you. You may never know what you may need that person for. You may never know what that person is there for you for. To do to you, to teach you. And even if it's a bad thing, you never take a L, because life is about lessons. And if you don't learn from those lessons, then you might as well just disregard the experience anyway, because it was supposed to create a purpose in your life. So we back in nature.